Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, kumusta po kayo? Meron po tayong update sa hashtag walang pasok. Ito po ay tungkol sa Proclamation 911 kung saan dinideklara na sa Friday, June 6, 2025 ay regular holiday throughout the country. Ito ay in observance of the Idul Adha or the Feast of Sacrifice. Hindi lang po ito para sa mga kapatid nating Muslim, kundi para po ito sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Nakalagay dito that whereas Idul Adha or Idil Adha of the Feast of Sacrifice is one of the two greatest feasts of Islam. Whereas Republic Act number 9849 declared the 10th day of Zulhijjah, the 12th month of the Islamic calendar, a national holiday for the observance of Idil Adha with a movable date. Whereas following the 1446 Hijra Islamic lunar calendar, the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos has recommended that June 6, 2025, Friday, be declared a national holiday in observance of Idil Adha. Now, therefore, I, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Philippines, by virtue of the powers vested in me, by law do hereby declare Friday, June 6, 2025, a regular holiday throughout the country in observance of Idil Adha. To, sign na po ni Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamen. So yun po yung update natin mga ka-Jesnabs sa hashtag walang pasok. Guys, paki-subscribe naman kung napadaan kayo sa channel ko. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye. Okay na, umula dito.